Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Samsung Galaxy M55. Begin by launching Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Now tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo device. And receive right next to Send on Samsung Galaxy M55. Finally, using all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!